So now we're going to learn a fabulous old English folk song, which is all about cake. I mean, what's not to love? So we're going to demonstrate that for you now. This fabulous little ditty is called Hot Cross Buns. Hot cross buns, hot cross buns, 1 a penny, 2 a penny, hot cross buns. And I think at the end of this you should get yourself some cake, just saying, like it's on theme. So let's get going. So the first thing you're going to do is put your thumb on F. Then you're going to put 2 on E. And then you're going to put 3 on D. Okay? Now, the cool news is that you know how to do your 1. So let's do that. Articulating it right over so it touches the marker spot. You know how to articulate your 2. So let's do that. Right into the palm so it almost touches your smiley face. And then finally, the 3 is identical to the 2. So you just pluck it and it goes into your palm, almost touching the smile in your smiley face. Mahoo, you just plucked your 3 for the first time. So you've just learned how to play the first phrase of Hot Cross Buns. And the cool news is it's repeated. So let's do that twice in a row now. Put thumb on F, 2 on E, 3 on D. Play F, play to E, play D. Now you're going to replace your fingers on F, E, D with thumb on F, 2 on E, 3 on D. Play F, play E, play D. Now replace your fingers on D, E, F with thumb on F, 2 on E, 3 on D. And you're going to do something different now. You're going to pluck the D string 4 times with your 3. Okay, so it looks like this. D, replace the D on the 3 on D, pluck it again. D, replace the 3 on D, pluck it again. D, replace the 3 on D, pluck it again. D. Now you're going to play the E 4 times. E, replace on E, E, replace on E, E, replace on E, E. And now you're going to do something very sophisticated, cool and advanced. You are going to put the 2 and 3 back on ED before you play F. So you have your thumb hanging out on F here and you just put 2 and 3 back on ED. And I'll just say one thing. It's very important to do that simultaneously, like that. I don't want to see you doing 2 on E and then a little while after dragging along 3 on D. That is not an efficient use of your time. So instead you're going to do whoop. For some reason we used to call this the Kung Fu Panda when I was teaching small kids. I cannot remember why, but it stuck. So this is the Kung Fu Panda move, my friends. Maybe because it's like, you know, you're like jumping suddenly from a still point. So, but let's practice that Kung Fu Panda a few times now together. Let's try it 10 times. So pretend you've played them and have them in your palm, and then Kung Fu Panda, Hain. And in the palm, Do. And in the palm, Tree. And in the palm, Car. And in the palm, Kuig. Brilliant. Hopefully your placing is a lot more confident now. And then finally you finish by simply going F, 2 in your E, E, 3 in your D, D. Woohoo! You just did Hot Cross Buns. Eat the fad. So now we're going to try that smoothly and in rhythm. 1 on F, 2 on E, 3 on D. Let's go. Hain, Do. F, E, D. Replace the fingers on F, E, D. F, E, D. Replace 1, 2, 3 on F, E, D. Now start with your D. D, replace, D. Replace, D, replace, D. 2 in your E. E, replace, E, replace, E, replace, E. Put 2 and 3 back on. F, E, D. That was great. Well done.